Good morning, students. Welcome back to your English language class. Now today in this video we are going to learn about the transformation of sentences. Okay? In the previous video we were studying about the chapter the sentence and its types, and from that same chapter we have this topic transformation of sentences. We have discussed about the different types. Okay? Now transformation simply means to transform, to change one particular sentence to another type. Okay? Changing one sentence to the other type. Suppose the sentence is given to us in an assertive or declarative form. We have to change that into an interrogative form or exclamatory form. Okay? So this is known as transformation, changing a sentence to other type. Okay? Now over here I have written few examples. Each and every sentences are of different type. Okay? So we are going to deal with that today. As you can see, the first sentence that is written over here, what a beautiful picture. This statement is an exclamatory sentence. Okay, because it is expressing a sudden feeling. Exclamatory sentences expresses sudden feelings or emotions. Okay, now we have studied for exclamatory sentences what exclamatory sentences are, how to form an exclamatory sentence using what and how. Okay, so now when we are given an exclamatory sentence and we are also given the instruction that we have to change this exclamatory sentence into an assertive sentence. Now, the next statement that is written just below the exclamatory sentence over here is an assertive sentence. Okay? Exclamatory sentence transforming it into an assertive sentence. Now, it is a beautiful picture. It is a beautiful picture. What a beautiful picture? It is a beautiful picture. It is a beautiful picture, or it is a very beautiful picture. We can write that. Okay? But when we change into assertive, always remember that an assertive statement simply states something. Okay? A fact, an opinion, an argument. Assertive sentence simply declares or states a simple statement. Okay? Now why have I used it over here? Because for non-living things and animals we use the pronoun it. Okay, so always keep that in mind. Whether in a sentence noun is used, a pronoun is used, whatever is used, you have to follow that and then form the sentence. Okay, so exclamatory, changing it into assertive, it becomes it is a beautiful picture. Now this was about exclamatory to assertive. Okay, now how do we form assertive? If a sentence is given, now I have to form a interrogative sentence. What is interrogative sentence? Interrogative sentence is a sentence that asks question. Okay, now over here we have an interrogative sentence. For this sentence we are changing it into an interrogative. Isn't it a beautiful picture? Question mark. Always remember that we have to put a question mark after a sentence when we are writing interrogative sentence. Isn't it? Now why have I used isn't? One thing to remember over here, whenever a sentence, okay, whenever a sentence is in positive form, we in question, while changing it into question, it becomes negative. Now, when the sentence is given to us in negative form, that time when we form a question, it becomes positive. Example, over here the sentence is it is a beautiful picture. The sentence is affirmative or positive. Now when we form a question, when we change it into interrogative sentence, always remember that we have to use negative form when the sentence is positive. And when the sentence is negative, the question will be positive. So for this sentence, the interrogative sentence will be, isn't it a beautiful picture? Question mark. Isn't it a beautiful picture? Because my sentence is positive, this becomes negative. Now, when I change the statement into a negative statement, it is not a beautiful picture. Now the sentence becomes negative. Now what will be my question? What will be my interrogative sentence when I change it into is it a beautiful picture? That time we'll use is, not is not, but is. Is it a beautiful picture? With negative we use positive, and with positive we use negative. Okay? Always keep this in mind. Now transformation simply means to change. Okay? Change from one form to the other. Exclamatory to assertive, exclamatory to interrogative, assertive to interrogative. Okay, so these are called interchanging also, interchanging of sentences from one type to the other type. Now I'll be giving you few questions to solve. Please solve, and then if you have any problem you can ask me on my WhatsApp. Kindly go through the videos which were uploaded previously, and then if you have any confusion with the different types and transformation, you can ask me. Thank you.